Okay. Um, Hi, my name is Madhusudan Purwal, and I've been having a lot of problems with my spine, having a lot of pain, and I came to Dr. Avanish's hospital, Vinayak Hospital, for treatment. I was admitted for 2 weeks, and I had a max treatment given by the physiotherapist out here under the supervision of Dr. Avnish. I had a good experience. Every day I used to have 1 hour sessions. It was either in the morning or in the evening, followed with exercises shown to me. I used to do the exercises once more in the morning or in the evening, whenever time permitted. Now, during this period, I had a lot of relief. My pain, which I used to have in the neck and at the lower abdomen, was reduced, and the spasm what was there has reduced. So I have complete faith in this treatment, and I do recommend my fellow patients also to go for this treatment. And whatever is told by the physiotherapist, the exercises and whatever told by the doctor should be followed completely to have 100% result in this.
What about your leg? You are having
I had a
same.
buckling on my right leg, which was there after I had a stroke in 2003. And to be very frank, this buckling was not going at all. I had a problem in that, but after this treatment, after the max treatment, I started walking properly. The buckling is not there, and the pain in my pelvis is not there while walking. So now I can say that I can walk at least in a stretch. I can go for at least 2 to 3 kilometers in one go without having any pain in my pelvis. And thing is, I found a lot of relief after this treatment. I have faith in this treatment. That is there, because I have gone through a lot of therapies, physiotherapy out there, going for Ayurvedic treatments and all that. But after taking max treatment, I find it much better.
Since how many years you were having these complaints?
Okay. Now, this problem has started for the past 15 to 16 years. My back was completely stiff, for which I started taking treatment in Kuwait. I'm based in Kuwait. I'm started taking treatment there as for physiotherapy and all that. And quite often I used to go back to the physiotherapy department to have a treatment, which did help me. Then I went for alternative medicines like Ayurveda and all that, where I did in 2001. I went again, but there was no result. Still the pain had, the recurrence of pain was there. And 2006 I had a bypass, which had worsened the situation of my physically. I was not able to walk properly. And then later on, like in 2010, I had taken an MRI which showed that the compression of my nerves was there on my spine, and the doctors out in Kuwait had opted for surgery, which I said like no, I will take a second opinion, and for which Dr. Avnish had said no need of a surgery, we will do the max treatment and we will cure you, we'll see that you're fit and all your pains and all will go. Now my stiff back, which was there like a rock, has, at least I can feel I can push it down the muscle, and an improvement is there. The stiffness is not there, and I can say that the treatment has really helped me out.